Hello friends, welcome once again. So today we will see how to install Fiddler. So Fiddler is one of the tool which is used to send parallel request. So first we will search Fiddler free web tool. So first go on the first link. Right, you need to provide your email. I'll hide this email, right? So you'll see that it has been downloaded. Just double click it. Yes. And then agree and install. Okay, the installation is successful. You can see it is completed. I'm closing it. Let me search here Fiddler. Click yes. Right, you can see now this screen. You can see all the request has been logged. The only request it is logging is HTTP. So if I send any request, right, so you can see that request has been sent, but it is not logged over here. So we need to enable one setting in the Fiddler. Go to tools, go to options, and then go to HTTPS, decrypt HTTPS traffic, all the process browser. Let me do all the processes of now. Yeah, let me send all the processes of now. Click OK. Okay, now send the request. Now you can see that we have logged our request, right? HTTPS request. So why this is being required, right? Since Postman is already there, right? So if you see here, if you want to send a multiple request in the Postman, so you need to go to runner. I want to run, not get, only post. I want 5 parallel requests, right? But what this will do, it will only execute the request sequentially. So you are seeing that one request has sent, then second, then third, then fourth, and then fifth, right? But we want to send the request in one go, 5 requests, 5 parallel requests. For that we have installed this. Let me zoom in a bit. Now it's zoomed in. Let me clear this all. Let me send one request. Right, now you can see that one request is successful. If you double click, you will see the responses and all. Inspect, right, in the JSON format, it is successful. Now if I want to send parallel request, so what we need to do, we need to do Shift R, right? I want to send 5 parallel requests. Right, now you will see that I have sent 5 parallel requests and 3 is successful, 2 are failed. So this was my test case basically. I have set the reserve concurrency on lambda, right? If you want to learn about reserve concurrency, you can see in the I button. So this tool is useful when you want to debug the parallel request, or you need to define your test cases and test your API, how it is handling and all, right? So if you want to change the request and then send it, okay, I want to do first E, right, and then raw, and then edit, right, and then this is successful, right? So you want to send this request. Now run to complete. Now you can see that it ran successfully, right? So thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this, hit like and subscribe so that you get the notification when I upload a new video. Thank you. Have a great day.